So I was deleting some blank rows out of some data that I was working on the other day, and I realized that I've never created a video how to delete blank rows in Excel. So for many of my macros or VBA code, I have it end when it hits a blank row. And so if you have blank rows in your data, it's not going to work out very well. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of the data in our range. So what I usually do is my old trick, which is I select the first cells in the columns, I press the Control, Shift, and down, and once again it's only going to go to the blank row. So we have to go individually basically until we get to, I think my last row is 188. Okay, so now that I have my data selected, what I'm going to do is press the F5 key on my keyboard. And then from the dialog box, I'm going to select Special. And then I'm going to select the blanks. And then we'll say OK. Up on our menu bar here, we have under the cells section, we have delete, and I'm going to drop down the list arrow, and I'm going to delete cells. Now I would like the cells to shift up, so I'm going to say OK. And so now, if we do the same thing, select the top row, Control, Shift, and down, you immediately go down to your 183, which is the end of your data. So that's how you delete blank rows in Excel. Please subscribe.